Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Rocom Radio Alarm Clock. It's a DAB Plus and an FM radio with 7 color. And of course, it's not only a radio, it's a nightlight too. And more. It is an USB-A and a USB-C charger for your devices on the desk, for example. 2. It can be supply some smartphones for it. No problem for it because there are USB-A and C charger ports on it. We have a double alert function, a snooze function, a sleep timer. It's a nice kitchen radio with battery backup. Bedside alarm clock, digital light alarm clock for children and adults too. And this DAB Plus radio automatically searches for available radio stations and offers us a clear sound and a high quality LCD display so we can know exactly which radio station we are listening now. It also features a 3-level adjustable screen brightness, so we can easily adjust it to the brightness or dim it down we like. This offers a clear audio quality too. And with this DAB radio alert clock with extendable antenna, we can choose the channel we want to hear. The radio provides us with a clear and smooth transmission with excellent sound quality, which can meet the effect of our interior use, such as bedroom, desk, dining tables, coffee tables, etc., etc., etc. And awesome 7-color night light and a large snooze button on the top side. The FM radio alarm clock is not only a DAB Plus radio alarm clock, no, but also it is an alert clock with light for room decoration. It can be used as an atmosphere lamp to help us fall asleep faster, with a large snooze light button at the top to switch 7 colors night light, or we get an additional 10 minutes sleep when the digital clock alert rings. And USB charging ports, that doubles our awesome features here. This radio alert clock not only has a normal USB charging port, but also a Type-C charging port. We can use it to comfortable use it as possible. 2 alerts at different times can be set separately. This is suitable for couples of roommates who make wake up at the different times, for example. And this light alarm clock is powered by AC, so all functions such as the time display, the alert clock, and the charging must be connected to a socket via USB. The battery, CR2032 battery, is included, are only used to save time and the alert settings, though they do not need to be reset in the event of a power failure. And the digital radio has each button is really simple and intuitive to set up time or the alert without disturbing holding the repressing. That's easy to perform, as you can see, and you can set up it by using the mode button, for example, to switch between the DAB and the FM and the standby mode. And there's more. We can go to the DAB feature by pushing it, and we can make a full scan of the DAB system, a full scan of the FM system as well. And of course, we can choose the language we like. We can use English, German, Italian, or French, or whatever language you like to spoken about, and then you can get started with it. We have a DAB Plus settings, for example, to switch between using it to the mode button and the menu button. We are going to go to the menu button for a full scan, for example, or to tune up a little bit more up and down. and of course to see the text which is connected with the DAB plus. Then we have a prune. That means we can make a prune or a TA. That means information indication whether at the station is broadcasting traffic messages is possible too. We can select stations by use the tune and plus and minus button. We can store the DAB plus stations in the memory slot if we like. We first select it, and then we can hold down the preset button while playing until the preset store appears to the display. Then we can use it to get one of the 30 memory slots for it. That means tune button plus minus, you can search one of these 30 slots and then enter to save it there. Of course, it's really cool. The same way, nearly the same way, is the FM settings. Okay, that's the same way. You go to the mode button until you switch to the FM. Then you can make a full scan. Of course, you can tune up, tune down with an audio settings, and the same way preset, tune up, tune down, and enter to save the FM stations to the memory slots easily. Of course, you can choose that the clock is set up by using the DAB Plus system. Of course, I think this is the best choice, but you can also do this by your own. Then you have to go to the menu, enter into the clock clock button, and you can switch it on or off, or as you like. You can choose the date. Then, of course, you can make a setting of 2 alerts. The alert thing, you can choose it at the same way. Go with the menu, enter into it, and then you can choose the alert 1, and of course you can choose alert number 2. Then we have a sleep timer, and we can adjust the radio volume by volume plus and minus 9, and we have the backlight menu, enter, then we go to it, and we can dim level or adjust on the level itself, the dim level up and down. And of course, we can choose the timeout functions. This means that the backlight will turn off in 10, 20, 30, 45, 60 or 90 seconds, or 120 and 180. You can choose by your own. And of course, you can still perform a factory reset. You can see this DAB Plus FM RDS digital portable radio is really nice because it can help you a lot of have fun in your bedroom, in your kitchen, or where you are use it. This is the CR1002 DAB radio by Awesome Rokum. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.